By opening the cost estimate, you can access the pricing estimator to help plan your furniture projects. While it won't provide the exact final price since it doesn't account for offcuts or additional fabrication costs, it does give you a reliable estimate of material expenses. The system automatically calculates all required materials, including the total area of each board, the length of edging tape in meters, and all hardware and fabrication needs such as drawers, legs, and Gola profiles. The pricing system is fully customizable to match your local costs. Click on Get Prices to open the pricing template. Here you can adjust values for each material type and add specialized costs such as hinges, hole drilling, cabinet legs, drawer hardware, Gola profile cutting, CNC routing for rebated or grooved backs, and Gola profiles per meter. Once you've updated the Excel file, save it, then upload it back into the system. Your customized pricing will be applied instantly, and you will see the updated costs in real time. The application also gives you visual feedback. Green icons mean that the material of that size is found in the pricing sheet and the cost is calculated successfully. Red icons indicate that a material of that thickness is missing from the pricing sheet, warning you about potential pricing gaps. The same indicator applies to edging tape, labeled as ET. Now let's create a new cabinet and see the price estimator in action. Add legs, doors, or drawers, and watch the price adjust instantly. Scale a board larger or smaller, and observe how the price changes in real time. The system automatically calculates the area and multiplies it by the unit price. The same logic applies to other hardware parts as well.